Want to lay low or fly high? Stand out or fit in? Wind down or rev up? Come home to Serenity. You'll find Serenity is your place to live the life you want. Serenity embraces Hapeville's artsy vibe. Original works by local artists greet visitors and homeowners alike, much like the murals, music venues, and theaters that prove the Main Street community's motto as a home for the arts. Green spaces and walking trails connect the 25 luxury townhomes in an air of tranquility and exclusion, even as the front gate opens to a walkable neighborhood of eclectic local eateries, breweries, the historic Academy Theater, artist workshops, parks, and more. And just a little further, more opportunities await. Downtown Atlanta's work and play opportunities are just 7 miles away, too. The airport is a hop and a skip away, along with Delta World Headquarters, the original Chick-fil-A Dwarf House, and Porsche Cars North America headquarters and experience. They bring Artisan-built, long-standing commitment to providing homebuyers a life well lived, with quality construction homes in places people want to be. To receive updates about Serenity, including pre-sale information, sign up for our VIP interest list today.